Okay, fourth graders, we're going to do what we did in class today. We're going to diagram sentences with only the simple subject and only the simple predicate. Remember, every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. This is where we divide it, subject and predicate. Now remember, subject and predicate, but then you also have simple subject and simple predicate. So the simple subject is that one noun or pronoun that we're talking about. We're not talking about the old. The old didn't float. We're not talking about the wooden. The wooden didn't float. It's the noun motorboat. That's the simple subject that we're talking about. It's a noun. What did the motorboat do? It floated. So our floats is the simple predicate. Now, if someone can write on their homework what this is right here, you might get a prize. What I'm putting a box around, what is that called? Especially, what is this called and what is this called? Not part of your homework, but if you want a prize, you tell me what that whole thing in that box is. So to diagram this sentence, all we do is draw a line. And remember, when we separate our subject from our predicate, this line has to go all the way through. It can't stop like this, because if it does, that's something else, so we can't do that. So when we diagram it, we put always the noun, the simple subject, on the left-hand side. So the motorboat, what did the motorboat do? It floats. Got it? Okay, one more. The next sentence is the tote bag in the closet was filled with books. The tote bag in the closet was filled with books. So remember, every sentence has two parts. The subject part, and I'm going to stop there, and then the predicate part. And if you can tell me why I stopped there, there might be a prize for you. So to diagram it, remember, go all the way through. Don't stop here. Remember, that's something else. So the simple subject, the tote wasn't filled. The tote isn't a noun. The bag is what we're talking about. So the bag is your simple subject. It's a noun. What about the bag? Well, it's different here because it's not just one word, it's two words. It was filled. Helping verb, was filled. Not a linking verb, it's a helping verb. Now for homework tonight, I want you to diagram these sentences. There's only 5. So you don't have to do this part right now like I did. You don't have to write on those 1 through 5 sentences. You only have to diagram it. So you're going to, on a piece of paper, piece of notebook paper, you're going to draw a line. Draw your line that separates subject from predicate and only put the noun or the pronoun. Actually, I'm just going to put simple subject there and then your simple predicate here. Now remember, your simple predicate can be an action verb, a linking verb, or helping verb. That's all for your homework tonight. You'll do great, I just know it.